Have you ever gone to a shop and you wanted to speak in English, but you did not know what to say?
Yes, this happens to many people.
You understand English, but speaking is difficult.
You feel shy or you're not sure what words to use.
Sometimes you know the words, but you cannot make a sentence quickly.
And then you stay quiet or you speak in your own language.
Don't worry, this is very normal.
Today, we will help you.
In this video, you will learn how to buy a cake in English.
This is a real-life situation.
You can use these sentences in a shop or in a bakery.
The English is very simple.
So relax, listen carefully, and try to speak with us.
Let's start. Hello, welcome to our shop. How can I help you?
Hi, good afternoon. I want to buy a cake.
Sure, we have many cakes. What kind of cake do you want?
I'm not sure. Can I see the cakes?
Yes, of course. Please come this way.
Thank you.
Here are our cakes. We have chocolate, vanilla, butterscotch, and red velvet.
They all look good. I like chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is very popular.
Yes, I think I will take chocolate.
Good choice.
Do you also have eggless cake?
Yes, we have eggless cakes.
That's good. I need an eggless cake.
No problem.
What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
What size is good for 5 people?
Medium size is good for 5 people.
Okay, I will take medium.
All right.
Can you show me the design?
Yes, this is a simple design, and this one has more decoration.
I like the simple one.
Simple designs look clean and nice.
Yes, I agree.
Do you want to write something on the cake?
Yes, please write Happy Birthday.
Do you want to add a name?
Yes, please write Happy Birthday, Ria.
Sure.
Can you write it in red color?
Yes, we can do that.
Thank you.
Would you like candles?
Yes, please.
How many candles do you need?
Just normal candles.
Okay.
Do you have number candles?
Yes, we do.
No, it's okay. I will take normal ones.
All right.
Can you also add a cake knife?
Yes, we can give that.
Great.
When do you need the cake?
I need it today in the evening.
At what time?
Around 7 p.m.
We can make it ready by 6:30 p.m.
That's perfect.
Would you like to place the order now?
Yes.
Please tell me your name.
My name is Arav.
And your phone number?
98XXXXX.
Thank you.
How much is the cake?
The price is 500 rupees.
Okay, that's fine.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by UPI.
Please scan this code.
Done.
Yes, I received the payment.
Thank you.
Your order is confirmed.
Great. I will come in the evening.
We will be ready.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
So, what did you learn today?
You learned how to speak in a shop.
You learned how to ask for a cake.
You learned how to choose a flavor and size.
You also learned how to ask the price.
And how to make payment.
These are simple sentences.
But they are very useful in real life.
You don't need difficult English.
Simple English is enough.
Next time you go to a shop,
Try to speak in English.
don't be afraid.
Making mistakes is okay.
Practice every day.
Start with small conversations.
And slowly,
You will become more confident.
keep learning
And keep speaking.
one step at a time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.